slow. I think he's hurt. Nope.
What?
That frog is toying with him.
Yeah.
It's holding its one leg fine.
I can see the frog.
That's good. You're gonna lose batters.
You got that frog in there?
Yeah, I saw the frog. There it is.
Yeah.
Just a minute, Pumpkin.
He's a frog dog.
It's coming up.
I'll get him moving.
Hang on,
No,
Coletta.
no,
We're watching the dog be goofy.
CJ, no. Go get it, Digger.
You don't know if he wants to grab it.
It's just 7 inches outside. Get him. Go get him.
It's a girl, she said.
Oh, what's the girl's name?
Watch out, son.
You big coward.